If it's your first time to the channel, please, I'm asking you to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified when we upload new content. We realize that persons are watching the video and at times you guys are not subscribing. Subscribing is important. So remember, please subscribe.
Curious King. Love is everything. Where do I begin? No, 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 no. I know. Trouble not set up like crying. But when you're lonely, words are not here to explain. One shot at love. One shot at love. One shot at love. One shot at love. Trouble not set up like rain. When you're lonely, words are not here to explain. See, I've been around the world with a lot of girls. They say I'm a player, not true. See, I've been around the world with a lot of girls.
Yeah, what's up?
What's up? I'm here. How you doing?
I'm good, and you?
Good as usual.
You should pay attention and
I pay attention. I see every time you smile with me. That's why the first time we talk, I know that I will see you again. You know what I mean?
Well, you know I was sent to kill you
Trying to kill me. Why?
because you play too much.
I'm not playing no game like that for nobody kill me. I'm not in the drugs game. I'm not in any starter game.
But you know the true thing is I'm a detective.
No, you're not. You're just playing with me.
Of course I am.
No, you're just playing with me. You're not a detective. I would have seen it. I don't know.
Let me show you some. Doesn't mean anything. You know I have a life even if I'm a detective.
Oh.
Right.
So it's serious then, man.
Yeah, of course.
Am I good now, though? Or somebody still want me dead?
For now you're good. Alright, so I just came here to tell you this, so be careful and don't leave the place, right? Stay around.
Kingman! Fire! Fire!
Ragwan. You know, so you say I call link.
Eh.
Blood clean. This morning early boy out here, you know. I look a police chicken here, I don't say police. So you want to Rasta girl about the place. Like a brownish Rasta and
Yeah.
ball pack and here.
Yeah.
Because I tell you, say, you look at one top freak already, I tell you no. But we end up finding out, say, yo, she a police. After one, I look at Catty, I deal over there. You look at Catty, no PR if you kill me. The Rasta chick is a FBI. Like she's in the ear now to cut down crime and you know. So she a pose like she a hitman. So she end up lock up the girl. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But still, me not have to worry about that still, because I work with the most side still. But you see that girl there, the Rasta one here, I think I make a chat off her some at the team.
Jano?
That's a good news.
Yo, right now I run a novelet read that me I come from, eh? Oh man, nice and fat. Love novelet read. Yo, so where the point idea?
You're done with the competition then, man.
No, sir, me not done. No, sir. Not done, man.
Just give me money and call today, man. Come here almost win already then, daddy.
Brother, ease yourself, man, and stop one like you want. I must say, no, man, how much me there now? 1,300.
So
No,
stay
sir.
that novelet then and leave competition and pay me money and we'll just call it a game. Me win that one here.
Nah, man, nah work out.
But alright, me know
Nah,
me have to
work.
steal, you know. Police girls, she want me and I go out on a date. So I think the man I go out on a date. And she will be me eyes and she look out for me once me look out for her.
So yeah, move on. Tell her, so she not no female squad down there.
No, she not. No, I don't talk to her, man. She just, I see her because she undercover, she just come by herself.
Brother,
I'm going to her 1 week or
Oh,
something.
woman lock me up right now.
So you're good though?
pass through. I'm tired, man. I beat out. Now let Reed beat me out.
Alright, go on do your thing then.
Alright, really?
Yeah, that's that word.
Yeah.
Go on in there.
Go ahead.
Alright, so I'll talk to you soon though. Can I get a kiss? One kiss alone? Alright, enjoy your lunch. I wish I was that thing that you're holding with the chopstick, yeah. Rough. Alright, later. Later, sweetie. Mwah. You hear that, boy? I see what you need to do, man, daddy. She alright, and me alright. Dominique, a 3 month you have a Dominique. Give me Dominique then, man, because you can't manage it.
Yo, you never give me none air woman name, you know. So why am I forget that one?
You're not going good. But me as a different do. Why not tell the girl the truth then? That's the truth, honest, to be honest to her. You think you're going to get her a long time?
Eh? Me so get her, man, or yourself, man. It's just a normal process for a woman to do them something, you know. But me just go and take my time. I go and play a game with her. Because she depends on like a mind game thing. But me I go and so.
Yo, you have a cousin, you know, I love play game, you know. You know, if I game anymore. So, careful on the game I play, you know. That's why I play my game different. I don't play game like I play. I play game with honesty. I have to have some truth to it.
You call her now and tell her I'm sick.
Do you think then? Yeah, so but tell her do honesty, you know. When there is honesty, I get the girl over daddy.
Honesty sometimes is not the best policy, you know. So, alright, watch a game now. Watch a game now.
Hey, what's up?
Good morning, Dominique.
Good morning. How are you? I'm fine.
Oh my God, like I feel so sick. Could you bring me some soup?
You feel sick? I mean, you weren't sick last night. What's up? What's up now?
I don't know. I wake up with a bad headache.
Wow. What type of pill you take or something like that? What's the best pill you want?
Probably some chicken soup would be good.
Alright, you can drink some water or something in the meantime. I'm on my way.
I'm feeling pain.
Alright, I'll be over there in a couple of minutes.
Okay.
Alright, darling.
Bye, baby.
Say a deal with them, bro. Actually, look how far she has to come over.
Where is she come by now?
Right now.
No, you don't know. That's something to crush off. Then think about it later.
Alright, I'll call you and tell you what going still.
Let me see if you work. Because I'm aware I come by and said we give you soup and gamakaya and go and play. So, but anyway, I will carry you now. Because there's something to close off.
When it happen, I'll call you.
More friend happen though. A long time on that girl.
Yeah, you say I reach 1,000 now?
No, I passed 1,000 already, man.
Oh.
I'm book, I write down too much in my book. But everybody, I want everybody good. Everybody know me, I do. I tell them directly. Because I give them luck.
Well,
Every woman, when I sleep with, everyone of them I get luck. You know, they mind too. Because they things good things happen to them, but I pray for them from the world. Good loving and love.
I feel so when I move good still. Who is it?
It's Dominic.
It's open.
Wow, you're really sick though. I'm gonna put the cup soup right here. Where's the kitchen? You know, so I don't really see nothing in the kitchen to make You told me you were sick. That's the main reason why I'm over here to help you. So why is your shirt off?
Dominic. Like, I'm lost with words. Like, I have to be honest. I'm not really sick, but I have to just do something to try and get you over here, which I'm sorry for, but
Really?
yeah. And I'm a man of truth, you know, so.
I mean, you could have just told me the truth instead of doing all of this.
Yeah, no, I should have told you the truth because honesty is the best policy, you know, but I run out of ideas and things to do because I've been trying so long. And listen, you don't know how special you are. Like, I'm so excited. Like, when I think about you, I'm so excited just having you in my mind. Like, I had to do anything to get you here.
But to be honest though, you could have just called me over here.
God. But anyways, I'm gonna go on the road and come back. So,
Why so soon?
so come on, I'm gonna get something. I'm gonna go in office.
Where one? Cause me knows every time I call me, I something, you know. What happened now?
You're more you do for me. A girl in her room, when Kelly's with her, tell her say, me not come back now, but you send this of your money up on the table, give her it to go in your hand.
Every time I this I do. Move.
Yeah, brother and sister.
Move.
Yes, brother and sister, you know.
Ned. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
I'm Nate's sister.
Hi.
I'm sending to come up here.
Yeah.
I'm sending to get this here. Nate called me, pass somebody phone, and tell me, so if it tells $1,000 on the dresser, you can use it and go home because I'm going to country and deal with some emergency. I'm not thinking I come back.
So why him never call me phone? I mean, him have my phone number, can call me and let me know that.
No, that's why I tell you I want emergency. Emergency, that's why I have to move quick. His phone dead, but he said one time you reach up and can't find one charger for charging phone, he will link you.
So why am saying no?
Him said $1,000 on the dresser and think I want a water bottle. So you can use that to pay a fare. No worries, Sophie. Yeah, he's still link you.
I mean, my phone the same. I mean, they just in there, so.
I think that's something I buy for you for later.
But me have to get here already. That alone me tell him some more.
No, we're going. You will link you, man. Just no worry yourself. Later, yeah?
You sure?
Yeah, man.
Alright, I'll call him.
Alright, honey.
Mommy. Hello? Yes. Money? Mommy, look how much money me give Garrick. Look how much money me give him. Yesterday I transferred $6,000 in Garrick's account. And you want me to say Garrick never give it to you? Mommy, listen to me, Mommy. Wait no, let me talk, please. Let me just say something to you. Listen up. The business slow. Me have utility bills, me have light bill, me have water, me have all sorts of something, me have internet bill for pay. Mommy, I don't have it. Remember, see the only thing me have here rely back on the business, and as me say, it's slow. Yes, me, but me don't know where Gary can do with the money. Every time me give, yesterday, you know, say I come down at my store yesterday, and me give him $3,000. And then in the early morning again, me give him $6,000 and a mommy. And him come back again, you know. Me no have it, man. I no care. No, so dig live for me. So listen to me, man. Mommy, I know me one alone have, and I know him one have. You know, him not give nothing. Me don't know where I take the money. The mommy I give him, forgive you. We can't live so, man. Me have me and my personal life too, you know, mommy. You have to have a good conscience. Alright. Alright, love you. Later. Garrick, a while ago me call mama, and mama tell me say, you know, give her no money. I mean, don't know what you do with the money, Gary, but money hard for earn. You know, clothes hard for sell. Why you take the money I do with the mama? Say I'm not get no money. She not get any money. So why you take the money do with the Gary?
You really have to call mama phone? A partner me a trophy, me want surprise her for her birthday.
Look how much money me give you. You tell me say all of them the money they hit the surprise her with a true partner. She don't need any partner. I am her partner. When she want money, I give it to her and I give you to give to her. And you have me money, I take it. I don't know where they do with my money. Because me there look at things on the streets. So you take my money and mine. Woman.
Alright, me come clear. Since I don't want to hear everything. Me a bang some, but yes, when a man wants something, a man have to buy it.
You sound stupid right now. I don't make me have nothing here, so. Why you take me money and give you careless girl them for? They not go look work. Me have my little business and I pick me a penetrate pan. You understand? So if you look your careless girl them want money, you make them go walk.
No, sis, no say that. Me not deal with careless girl. I work them, I work. You see anything when I do over the bridge, I work them, I work for it. And where the system set for them.
You can talk about girl at work or whatever, like a plating you take this for.
When they use to lick, me take how much lick for no. You know if they go on something. Come on, sis, man. Just cheer, man.
Me not care what you want to say. Me not give you no more money for give mama. You see, any money me have, me make sure say it reach mama hand by me. Me not give you nothing. And me done right here, so me they got me head right now because me beat out and tired.
Alright, you hear me, sister? Now cook some food, can you come here? Count money, please. Why mama call for?
Carrie,
What going?
what's up, girl? You alright?
Yeah, man, me there, we are dealing.
I'm just coming tired and me just some little things that run through my mind, you know? You remember what day when we, you know, still don't talk about, you know, relationship and all of that, and, you know? So, you know, me just come lay down and me I think about, you know, a relationship and all of that. But remember me did tell her, say, me need the right guy, you know?
So you meet somebody?
Well, yes, but me go send you one picture. I send it right now. When I send the picture, I just want to know if you know the guy here, alright?
Okay, alright, no problem. Send me
Alright?
a picture.
I'm gonna do that right now, girl.
How we are dealing otherwise.
If they ask me to lay down, you know, the little things around through my mind. Alright, I just send him. Look at it.
Oh, funny.
Send it through WhatsApp.
This your boy, yeah?
You know
This
him?
your boy, you deal with them?
No, we're not nothing yet. I'm just, you know me.
Please tell me you're not nothing with him. Because
No, Carrie.
Okay, this boy just use woman, you know. And you have, let me tell you about him. And we have sex with him, and then you're not hear from him ever again. That's why he does to every girl woman know. That's why he does to me.
So like, wait, Carrie, let me process things. What happened?
This a boy, me meet him a couple months ago, and the boy, he tell me how he want me, and he wants to marry me, and all kind of things. And we go out a couple times, and me end up having sex with him, and found that they didn't really hear from him never again.
You sure?
He blocked me on WhatsApp.
You sure say him do all...
Me sure it's the same boy.
You can...
meeting him.
Yeah, Nate.
Yes, I have the same one. And he do the same thing to a couple other girls that I know. So this a boy I just use it. This a boy I play. Please tell me you don't do nothing with him at all.
No, we not do nothing.
You not hear from him again.
No man, we not do nothing.
Just forget about that the one day and move on, yeah. So why you ask me?
Like randomly, me just randomly ask cause as somebody like when me know when me see already, you know, we exchange 1 and 2 words, but nothing But me just so what happened with Yanni? Like you can just tell me a little, you know?
Me I tell you, me meet him. Me meet him and he's so sweet, the sweetest thing in the world. And he tell me say he want to take me out and all kind of things. He tell me how he love me and he might go marry me. And the first time me and him have sex, we never see him again, he just disappeared.
Like you just disappear like that, you never have no form of conflict.
He block me on WhatsApp, he must block me on call because me call him and me not get him. Then WhatsApp him, me not get him. So, and then when me link up with my other friends, they make me know say, this is what I'm doing, you know? I just got the type of person I'm doing.
Alright. Thanks. Just as me said, me just curious.
You have reached the voicemail box of 187. You have reached the voicemail box of 18768.
Come.
Damn. Me come feeding with the dog. Be careful, it's lethal if you give the dog a whole light. Because if you give him a whole light one time, he might dead.
Oh.
Make sure you give him half eye. And tomorrow when I come, I give him the other half. And make sure you don't miss space with him because if you give this to a human, he might sleep for about 12 hours. Alright.
Me keep it far, man. Me keep it far.
Keep it safe. Now put it in the kitchen.
No, me not gonna do that.
Alright. And I give dog a whole like and I want to kill him.
Yeah, I just a little tip.
Keep it good, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, me see it. Me I got work.
Alright, girl.
Pause the video and go and subscribe right now. It's important for you guys to subscribe to the channel so we can continue to grow. Alright? Big up on yourself.
What's wrong? Yeah.
Not really.
Dear.
Me don't normally do them as well.
Don't fear about yourself, but man. Why worry yourself?
Me don't know. You say me for come in your yard and something like that. After you tell me say for come in your yard, one thing me a pre in my mind. And I say you go on, me and you fit do something and I not do them something there, me not the type of girl there. I don't want just stay with you for one night and then you try to use me and that hot. I not go on that. So if you mean me good and something, the reason why I come here is just because I rate you. And I have feelings for you. If you know say you if you know say go use me, I don't mean me no good. Don't me go no further.
I'm not go around nothing, man. If I never see you, so I even bring up on myself. Isn't it?
Make sure.
Stop worrying yourself, man. I'm not feel worried about.
That's something for me worry about.
Just relax, man. You want something to drink? No.
Sure.
Alright.
What you have can drink?
Some more, man. Get it thirsty, man.
It's nice. It's actually nice, really nice.
You want some more?
Sure.
It's nice. Actually, good. Never have to fold it up so good. Alright, had enough of this. Feel a little bit tipsy.
Yeah.
Right. Can I put my bag over here so for me, please? Thank you. See, I like it.
I love it, man. Best name I have in my life. Where you get it from, man? A long time for you to listen up.
So that means so naughty for now. Anyway, I go all fresh up myself and come back and have a sleep. So good?
Alright, yeah. Maybe I saw lay down, man, until they come. Can I come closer? Yo.
Ready?
Just start doing fatty, you know?
So you go on.
Right, I'm still catch you up back.
It will take a long time, man. Because we work different, you know. You work off a general and you work off a love and respect, you know.
You know a game.
But
You know a game come down, man.
you're a young boy still, you know, so now if we don't do it full time, but see through me whole school, you know what I mean? We know the ropes and the tricks them, you know what I mean? So what teach you still? You still can't catch up, man.
Alright, my boss. Go on now, man. We still catch up back.
I two tear down since night, and everybody alright.
Yeah, two.
And five did have detail every but just say, I'm not going to go too far, but just here too. So you still can't catch up and them new too. You know what I mean? Everybody alright.
But this one are new too? A day before yesterday, a day before yesterday we meet her.
Yeah, but that's where you go. Because I'm saying I'm a teacher, but you still can't catch up to the teacher.
But
I
I give her props to the general, man. I give her props.
But careful, because you know if I go to track record. Careful.
You know, I think come down, you know. Yeah, but anyways, yo. We chat.
Alright, do you think? Burn it down.
Ah.
What a cool place, man.
Yeah?
One thing.
You know something? You can't sleep here tonight, you know. Come just get a call saying I forgot St. Thomas tonight. But here what going on now. So when I come back, you can come back on stage and me not tell them I enjoy myself. You see me? But when I come back, I can come back, but just get ready. Go put up on taxi. Wish could
I mean, I'm facing with that sleep with tonight. Have big plans and so on.
I just say go man, I enjoy myself. I'm sorry about that. When I come back down, you can come stay again. But I just say go.
Make sure, make sure see you call me or something.
Relax, man. You call me. See how the man on the text me. So get ready.
Alright.
So, put on the clothes.
Yes, sir. Just feel like one big old disappointment.
What's your man? Stop man, stop man.
Wake up. What happened to all our plans then? Who for name this? So this you been a do? Who for name this?
Dominic, me did
And this you been a do? I hurt woman feelings.
me did go call you,
Look for all them innocent woman eh. Wake up. All the plans them. How much trip you say I go bring me pan. You say I go marry me. You go buy me an expensive ring. Look how you sweat like a pig. Speak up! Speak up!
I'm sorry.
You took 3 months to get me. You did a lot of things. You got through a lot just to get me. Why? Because I told you from the start. I never wanted this. But you push your way through. You push your way through. You pushed your way through. And I thought that we meant something to each other. Especially you meant something to me.
Babe.
Nate, don't you ever utter that out of your mouth and call me any babe. Because right now, I'm far from your babe. All you ever wanted was just to make love with me and throw me aside like a piece of meat. And you expect me to just sit back and go with it. I see all of those names in your book. Ashley, Crystal, Shelly, whatever.
None of them girl in them.
Shut up! You know I'm gonna finish this tomorrow, right? Open your mouth. Open your mouth! That will keep you sleeping. Take back your hand them. Take back your hand them. Move fast. know me have a right idea for you. Me gonna make you call. Me gonna make you call every one of them woman there where you hurt, and you gonna apologize to each and every one. No, you see them already now. We just want you to look again. You think you're normal? You see each and every one of them. You go call them. You don't want you stutter either. Here? First one up on the list is Ashley. Make sure you have energy. Because it's just as though you have energy to hurt them. More you have energy when you apologize. You want me to tell you? Answer me. Answer. You say if you answer.
Sorry.
Say yes.
Yes. Police are come here. Answer.
Shut up.
Them a go suspect.
Shut up.
Them a go suspect say me.
You see if you talk one more time. Bust it here.
If they call me.
Shut up.
If they call me, I don't get me. Them a come around here, you know. If you know, let me go. What the hell if she tell me mother say she a call her and get Dominic, listen.
Shut up.
Dominic, what you're doing is wrong.
What you do to those other women?
Dominic, listen.
That not wrong.
Listen, it was intentional.
You sound stupid. You sound real stupid.
Dominic, listen.
I just gotta save it right now because I just want to squeeze it. I just gotta save you.
Dominic, me know me do some things. But it wasn't intentional, and this, if we got jail, Dominic, I don't want to see you go to jail.
Sorry. Put in the code.
If we put it in, Dominic.
Put in the code and shut up. You're gonna apologize like you never apologized before.
Hello?
I'm sorry, babe. Babe, I'm sorry. Ashley.
You have a wrong number.
See.
Next girl, Lisa. Apologize properly.
Hello?
I'm sorry.
Sorry for what? What an apology for you.
What you know? I'm sorry.
Sorry cannot help the situation. So I'm not no apology. It's not easy.
Tell her.
You see the feeling you see the feeling how she attack. You hear how she attack, no? You hear the hurt in her voice, no? Sharika next. Believe me, I go call off every one of them member here today.
I'm hungry.
Eat your sweat and quench your thirst.
High five.
All of them innocent girl. All these women. Amen. No dread.
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
I'm sorry. Listen up. I'm sorry, I never mean to do it.
Yeah, me believe I come and you took me and come back. What wrong with me? You know, come back and you want to grow and why you can't style me. You can't stop. Why can't style that?
Listen up. I never
After you took me and then you don't come back and about time where you're sorry for yourself because you can't get nobody nice. You can't style me a good girl.
I never purpose.
Don't smile. You think I joke thing? Eh? Me don't want to see no smiling by your face. Because this is a serious thing. Come and smile like you funny. Next person. Next victim.
I'm there if you deserve this. Just take your hand off my trigger.
Dirty boy, Nate. Where you call my phone for?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Dirty drunk crow. You think say you can walk around and go have sex with me and get away just like that? I kill me one, kill you, dirty boy. See how you go have sex with me, cousin. You go have sex with me. So you feel so you can get away. Boy, I kill me one, kill you, you don't know.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Sorry, can't help you right now.
Pansy. Listen, you did have your husband at the time. You couldn't just come. You did married. Pansy, I'm
you
sorry.
Know everything about me. I don't want to hear nothing from you. My youth are chain and know me bend right now. I feel like to kill you. Right now, no make me see you no way. Don't call back my phone again as long as you see that number. You know what? Delete it right now. I don't want to hear your voice no more. Don't come back in and me like me hate you. And you me catch you, me and kill you, you out.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
She's so bad, Nino. She's so bad.
Shut up. You don't feel shame? And I'm me alone angry. Every girl we you call angry. We could have make alliance for you. And deal with you worse than this.
Please.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
Please.
You're a disgrace to mankind. I have no pity for you. I have no pity.
Just kill me. I don't want to go through.
More you suffer and more you go through pain first. You know, say I kill me for kill you. You know, like, me there I waste time with you. You know that? If you just bust a shot in your face.
It's a big.
You know, say I waste time with you. You want me to pull it? You want me to pull it out? You want me to pull it out? The pain.
Let it go, please.
Me, I go hang you. Shut up, man. You don't get nothing. I hang more hang you. Remember me tell you that. Extra rope. You deserve it. You deserve to be treated like animals. You feel the pain. You feel the pain. Come on. Come on. Stand up. Don't move. Shut up.
Just don't hurt her. Just it's me. Just let her go.
Go on the bed. Move fast. You look at him. You look at him properly. Kill this man and look on here.
Sister, when mommy there?
Shut up! And if you ever try to talk to him, you know it. No, I'm not talking about this from your ear.
Don't hurt her, please. Don't hurt her.
For your sake. For your sake.
You go jail. Sister, mommy. Sister's gonna be okay.
Shut up. I'm not too tight. Not now. No, I can't. Well, it's gonna be a little tight. You know what your brother do? You know why I'm having tie up over this stuff? Your brother is a wicked. Your brother is a fucking wicked. You know why I'm tying up over this stuff? Him not make you know. You see that book there? It have over 400 female names in it. You're not gonna ask why. Why? Him go around. Him have the name and the number. And him abuse them, have sex with them, and just toss them aside. And him enjoy doing it. So, him just love that. But guess what? Him buck up and do wrong one. Because me not gonna just make him deal with me like how him deal with them. And wait. I mean, you see all of them? May I help take revenge for all of them? You're my sister and you're a woman. Like, when him did that do this, him never that think about you or something? Him say I'm hungry, but I'm hungry now. I'm gonna stay right there so I'm dead. Could have killed him a long time, but him have to suffer for all the pain him put them through. You have to get like a pain too. And your blood brother.
Can you peace?
Save me ear more one more time. Now go outside. Make a quick call.
Can I get peace?
Shut up. Soon come back, alright? Soon come back. When you don't go nowhere, I'll be right back. Carrie. Harry? Oh, I want you to open the shop today because I'm not going to be available for open it. I'm up on the road, man. I'm up on the road to do some business. Yeah, right, and thing. Eh? The key, look under the mat on the step, you see the key. And guess what? The dog something. The thing for the dog. More you bring back some more for me because it drop off and roll off like you roll on that. I don't know where it there, but more you bring back some for me. Here?
Nate, I really them something there pan up here. 400 woman name right down with number in a book. Are them something they are going up here? I know you put me in a big problem. Me have me up a tie up.
Shh, take time talk, man.
Yeah, tell me to take time talk.
Please, just take time talk.
Have me up a tie up.
Yeah, man, more you deal with it, man. Me give you back the money if it's too expensive. Come on, girl, man. Alright, why you work for? You don't ask me say me I deal with business on the road. You don't have to worry yourself.
Okay, Google, call Stacy.
Looks like that contact isn't set up for duo calling. You can invite new contacts to duo calling using the Duo mobile app on your phone.
Okay, Google, call my favorite girl. Hey, honey. Hello? Dominic have me tie up round here. Contacts, no sense in her now. I feel like she a go crazy. She wanna have me tie up.
Alright.
Hurry up. She a come.
You know what I'm going to do to him now? I'm going to kill him.
Please, me I beg you, please, just make him go on. You can't just beat him up severely, but just make him go on.
You know how he put me through? This son of a bitch put me through.
Yeah, come my daddy.
Shut up! He promised me a bag of things. If you can't be how much trip, Hawaii, Dubai, all of them places.
We still can't go.
Shut up! He make love to me. He makes sweet love to me. When me can't forget. Him kiss me. No, I'm not kissing him. Suck on my tongue. Properly. All him put me through. All them memory. No! Him are dead. Him a go down today. Today, me a kill him. If me have to spend the rest of my life in a prison, him a dead. Him a go dead, him a get it. Him a go dead. Cause me a the wrong one. You go meet your savior. You go down. But after, you apologize to the rest of the girls. Imani, Samantha, Crystal, Casey, Jadine, Michaela. You ready? Me say if you're ready. Kerry?
Dominic? Where are you?
Where over here, Kerry? Where over here?
You
need to go back home. You need to go back home now.
Yeah, come with me.
You need to go back home.
Listen to your
Shut up! You need to go back home.
Listen to your
No.
friend. Listen.
Shut up. Kerry, go home. Him have to dead. Me have to kill him. Him have to go down before me leave, Kerry. Him have to dead.
You know
me
what?
not leave until me kill him. Kerry, you need to go home. You need to go home, Kerry. Me have to kill him today. Me have to.
Why?
He hurt me a lot, Kerry. A lot. How much things he promised me. The love when give me. It take 3 months to get me, Kerry. 3 months going 4. Before we were together, me push him off so many times. Me tell him, say, no, me don't want this. Me don't want it. And him force on himself and him do what to do it. Me not gonna make him hurt me like him hurt the rest of man and Kerry. You have to go on, please. I'm willing to risk everything. Never kill him.
Look for me. I same thing you do to me, you know. Me never tell you about it or try to kill him or anything. Look how me have my good man now. The same thing can happen for you. You can't make him ruin your life, so one man, it's not worth it.
Kerry, but it's not fair. It's not fair, Kerry.
Alright. Come to get out right now. Put on your socks. Put on your socks. Somebody will get in your ear. Trust me. Somebody will get in.
So, now let me out.
You're lucky boy.
Thanks, Kerry.
Hey boy. If you're my friend, you know, don't call me name. You hear? Not because me saved you a while ago. I dead you for dead, you know. Somebody must get you.
You're going after me, bro.
So you're not lose me too?
Who are? Hope I take this as a warning.
Sister, me I deal with your sister?
Yeah, my brother, but your dog.
Really?
If you reach to the end of the video, thank you for watching. It's always a pleasure to create these great content for you guys. And please, before you skip off the video, remember to hit that subscribe button, because it's important when you subscribe to our channel so we can continue to create these great content. And for every single person who has been supporting what we're doing, just keep on supporting. It's almost the end of the year, and it's a pleasure to create all these wonderful videos right throughout the year for you guys. Thank you for watching, and it's a blessing.
Curious King. Love is everything. Where do I begin? No, 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 no. I know. Trouble not set up like rain. But when you're lonely, words are not here to explain. One shot at love. One shot at love. One shot at love. One shot at love. Trouble not set up like rain. When you're lonely, words are not here to explain. See, I've been around the world with a lot of girls. They say I'm a player, not true. See, I've been around the world with a lot of girls. If you're not a player, I got you. It's a sad story, but nobody knows it but me. I nearly lose my life. Girl, what I thought could have been my wife, but trouble no set up like rain. But when you're lonely, words are not here to explain. One shot at love. One shot at love. Trouble no set up like rain. But when you're lonely, words are not here to explain. Oh. One shot at love. One shot at love. Could it be you that I'm looking for? Oh yes, I'm looking for someone to love, someone to share my life with. Time is wasting. Time is wasting. Oh, but I've been around the world with a lot of girls. They say I'm a player, not true. Oh yes, I've been around the world, met loved a lot of girls. I'm not a player, I got you. People are not always what they seem to be.